Good morning, everyone. Today's fieldwork is a little different. The road leading to our survey site is under construction, so instead of traveling by land, we're riding a boat. Yes, surveying through the open sea. A rare experience and definitely an adventure the whole team is excited about. Join us as we cruise across calm waters, enjoy the beauty of nature, and feel the excitement of reaching our site in a unique way. The team arrived early carrying our GPS, drone equipment, tripods, and the rest of our survey gear. Everyone is in a great mood, maybe because this feels like a small getaway from the usual bumpy and dusty roads. This is nice. Feels like a trip, but with work. Exactly. Work with a bonus ocean cruise. As the boat slowly moves away from the seashore, we all look around, taking everything in. The air is cool, the sea is peaceful, and the entire atmosphere feels refreshing. Moments like this remind us why fieldwork is more than just measurements and coordinates. You can really feel the team's excitement, everyone taking photos and enjoying the fresh sea breeze. The scenery today is breathtaking. On one side, the open blue sea stretching as far as the eye can see. On the other, beautiful seashore communities with coconut trees swaying in the wind. Seabirds glide gracefully above us, and the sunlight dances across the gentle waves. It's a peaceful moment before the technical work ahead. This looks like a documentary. I know, right? Nature is the best cinematographer. The only road leading to our site is currently undergoing major construction. Heavy equipment is working non-stop, excavators, graders, rollers, preparing the future access route. But for now, vehicles can't pass. That's why we're traveling by sea. Fieldwork doesn't stop. We adapt. We find solutions. One thing I love about moments like this is hearing the team talk about the work ahead, excited, motivated, and curious about the conditions at the site. The site might be challenging, but we can handle it. At least we get to relax first while traveling on the water. You can feel the mix of relaxation and anticipation. As we get closer to our destination, the scenery shifts. More trees, wider shorelines, and that calm silence that tells you you're entering a remote area. Everyone slowly shifts from chill mode to work mode. Time to focus and get ready. And we're here. The journey was relaxing, inspiring, and filled with beautiful ocean views. Now it's time to turn that energy into accurate data collection and a productive survey day. Thank you for joining our ocean adventure today. Traveling to a survey site like this isn't something we experience every day, and I'm glad to bring you along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fieldwork stories where science and nature come together.